Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Link Portable Wireless Bluetooth Smart Speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You might want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is frozen or not responding or not working because it's not connecting to your phone or it's not syncing with the app or it's not pairing with Bluetooth, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you just decide you want to replace the speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a replacement. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to, for whatever reason, you want to just delete all the pairing history, delete all the history off of it and everything like that, so that it's basically like it just came out of the box new. This will do that for you. So it's really easy to do. All you need to do is, first of all, make sure that the speaker is on. So if it's not on, you just come in and turn it on with the power button. And then you're just going to find this microphone mute button and press and hold it for 14 seconds. It's kind of a long hold, but just keep holding it for 14 seconds. And after those 14 seconds, the speaker will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default settings. And you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker.